We have made our way to the Animal Kingdom Lodge. We are at Kidani Village, about to have lunch at Sanaa. Thanks for joining us. Come along. So we have already been seated and ordered here at Sanaa. Our server is Pedro. Very articulate, broke everything down for us, very simple. We ended up getting the Indian bread service, and then we also got thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
I went ahead and I've got the Sanaa burger. Melinda got the buttered chicken with cilantro vegetables. So we're really excited to see how lunch goes. We have ordered dinner here before on the to-go service. We've never sat down in here though, so we're fairly excited about that. It's starting to thunder outside too, so we've got giraffes and some other wildlife outside, so we're kind of tickled to death and excited to see how things go. So thanks for coming along, and we'll give you a breakdown of how things are.
Consider our bread service. Let's start with sweet, they go mild, very spicy at the end. So cucumber raita, mango chutney, that's a tamarind sauce, tomato jam, roasted red pepper hummus, pickled garlic, coriander chutney, that's jalapeno lime chutney, spicy sambal sauce. Considering our bread, let's start with spiced naan on top, ginger garlic is the second one, traditional plain. Then we do have the same spicy one as the top one, we call it burrata paneer, and this is the poached onion bread and butter.
Excellent. Thank you so much. Wow. So everything's been explained to us fairly well. So we're staying away from the hot sauces. We do not do real hot and spicy. But we've had the bread service before, only to where we've picked it up. We've never had it in here to where it's super hot and ready to go. So we're tickled to death. So as we're going through our bread service, of course, we're finding that the second one here that Melinda's getting is her favorite. Now the third one right here is mine. It has a little barbecue flavor to it, but I tell you what, another close is the garlic. I think it's really good, and the cilantro, the green one, is really good. Now the last two that we get to over here, we're staying away from because they are very hot. It's just not our forte, but everything else is great. Can't wait for the entrees to come out to see how they go, but wow, we're definitely highly pleased. I think this is still my favorite, but the one thing I do like to do, I'll mix them, get the barbecue flavor with a little bit of the garlic. Yes, that's a garlic clove. And just mix them together. So you know, I don't like to be shot while I'm eating, but the mixtures of the flavors blend so well. This if you come here. Even if you just come here to get the bread service, just try it. It's excellent. I think it was like $18, $19. Not too bad for everything you get. It is a star mark for us, so check this out for sure. We're not completely done with the bread service, but we're about to give up just for the fact that there is so much that you kind of run your appetite for your entree. But still, either way, really excellent. 4 people could share this and come away feeling satisfied, don't you think? There's plenty of it. And experimenting with the different flavors and sauces, not sausage. It really seems to work out really well. We've been totally impressed, and I think you will too. So, lunch has been served. I got my burger and chips, and Melinda got the buttered chicken with rice and the cilantro vegetables, which look really good. So we're gonna dig in, check these out, and give you a little feedback on how it went. About a quarter way through our meal, the one thing we both noticed is the flavor profiles. They stand out very well, of course. Everything was served hot. Everything was exactly what we had ordered, and wow, couldn't ask for any more. So thumbs up across the board. What about you?
Yeah.
Pretty much, yeah. It was excellent. Now, of course, the burger was really, really good. There's a lot of different flavors, but the one thing I know next time, I'm going to get the butter chicken with the cilantro vegetables. That is really out of this world. So, great bread service, great entrees, and great atmosphere. Had a good time. So all in all, we had a wonderful experience at Sanaa. Great service, great food, and great atmosphere. Can't go wrong. What a good time. Awesome. And of course the animals. Just all around great afternoon. And remember, this is always something you can do instead of going into one of the parks. So really nice afternoon. And not having to spend a lot of money either. So just one of those little breaks you can do away from the parks to where you're not having to spend a lot of money, and you can spend, especially if you got little kids, they're going to love the animals out here. And of course the cast members out here have so much knowledge on the animals that are out on the savannah that they can fill your afternoon with information. Really nice and neat. So again, like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. So as we were walking down Sanaa, Melinda just happened to look over to the left to find this little guy. Not so little, to be honest with you. But he seems very content with what he's doing. That's for sure. Wow, what a good time. Again, like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.
Oh, he's got a salad for
Oh,
lunch.
he most definitely has an attitude, doesn't he?
Yes, he does. Look at him. We see you.
Yeah, we
He
see
sees
you. We interrupted his dinner.
Yes, we did.